Here the next practical chart for that the FIR filter in that the DSP. Here aim the to develop the program in MATLAB to design the FIR filter. In that the FIR filter we write for that the yum file in that the MATLAB, and that the in our PC shows for that the demo also included for that the practical. Here that the yum file shows for that the in that the figure, whereas the FIR filter in that this is the all for program for that the FIR filter, whereas the RP is the ripple passband. RP is the ripple for that the passband, RS is the stop band ripple, WP is the passband frequency, WS is the stop band frequency, FS is the sampling frequency, where W1 and W2 is the formula for that the FIR filter, where num is the numerator, den is the denominator, n is the seal, num and den there is the formula, there is the command for that the MATLAB. In that the Y is the rectwin n1, that means the rectwin is the rectangular window for that the n1, and that the title for that the magnitude and that the phase response of and that the FIR filter, whereas the also included for that the observation. Here the observation for that the pass band ripple, stop band ripple, pass band frequency, stop band frequency, and also included for that the sampling frequency, and shows for that the magnitude and phase response for that the FIR filter. Here as the first is the magnitude and the second one is the phase, whereas the differences between for that the magnitude and phase response of an FIR filter. Here the filters, the digital filters are described by that the digital filter are described by the differential equation can be implemented using for that the software like C or the assembly language. We can easily change the algorithm, so we can easily change the filter characteristics and according to our requirements. The basic function of that the digital filter is the eliminated to noise and the extract the signal of that the interest from that the signal. A digital filter is a basic device used for that the digital signal processing. There are the several techniques to design the digital filters, but the generally while designing of that the digital filters, first and that the analog filter is designed. Basically there are the two types of that the digital filter. First one is the FIR filter and second one is the IIR filter. In that the FIR filter there are the finite impulse response filter, and the IIR it is the infinite impulse response filter. Whereas the advantages of that the digital filter, there are the many input signals can be filtered by that the one filter without replacing the hardware. The second one is the digital filter have the characteristics like as the linear phase response, such as the characteristics is not possible to do in that the case analog filter. The digital filter are portable. The digital filter are highly flexible. In such a case of that the analog filter, the maintenance is frequently required, but the digital filter is not required. In case of the digital filter, the filtering is done with the help of the digital computer, and both filtered and the unfiltered data can be saved for that the further use. The performance of that the digital filter does not vary with the environmental parameter, but the environmental parameter like that the temperature, humidity change the value of that the components in case of that the analog filter. Here the FIR filter are called for that the non-recursive filter because they do not use it for that the feedback. It provides the response which is important used for that the you want to tolerance phase distortion in that the filtering design. Sometimes due to the non-linear characteristics we get the phase distortion which will generate the system performance is applied is application like that the data transition, speed processing, and the calibration. After that the processing, the phase response is almost important. There the linear phase response characteristics FIR filter is for that the used. In that the MATLAB is the high performance language for that the technical computing. And that the types of the MATLAB file, here the yum file, mat file, and mix file. The yum file are standard for that the ASCII text, for that the script file and function file. A script file has that the contain the multiple sequence lines of that the MATLAB commands and the function calls. And that the mat file, you may want to work with the MATLAB implementation and that the several computer. The system need to transmit for that the MATLAB. The mat files containing the binary data, and it is include the string, matrices, multidimensional arrayed string. And that the MEX file. The MEX file MATLAB is the completed self-contained environmental for that the programming, manipulating for that the data. And that the after, if the after use for that the interact with data and programs the external to that the MATLAB environment.